No, you know there, you know there.
Representing the Igwe North and the Anambra State House of Assembly. SM1, High Chief Meka Igwe Ogidi Summit, and Barrister Sam Igwe round of applause. A round of applause. Yes, it's not easy. It's not easy. In a very special way, capacity where back on turn, where Sukosia, where Sen Ogidi Summit, Tinyakua Kawu to take over, and where Mena or Bolivar and Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, it might interest you to know that we are now on live streaming, yes, so that our brothers and sisters in diaspora can equally join us. And to our brothers and sisters in diaspora, we say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your location. Yes. You are live onto Ogidi Summit 2024, the median edition, the first of its kind. We have already appreciated the planning committee, and we are right now waiting for the arrival Igwe as a Chwamaya of Ogidi Kingdom, and as soon as he comes into this arena, we will kick off with the program. We have to appreciate our brothers and sisters who just walked in, recognizing the presence of keynote address speaker on infrastructure in the person of engineer Ngozi Obi-Okoye. A wonderful round of applause. It's not easy. You're welcome, Ma. We also have to recognize the keynote speaker on security in the person of Mr. Obi Adolefo. A wonderful round of applause, sir. You're welcome.
I trust you.
DJ, let's